Hi everybody, with love from Top Lingo. Today we're learning the difference between everyday, one word, and every day, two words. These look almost the same but have different meanings. Don't worry, it's very simple to understand them. Let's begin. Part 1. Everyday, one word. Every day is an adjective. The meaning is normal, usual, regular, common. We use it before a noun. Examples: these are my everyday clothes, regular clothes. This is my everyday routine, normal routine. Coffee is an everyday drink for me, regular drink. Think, everyday, that means normal, typical. Part 2. Every day. Two words. Every day means each day, meaning Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and every day. Examples: I study English every day, each day. She walks to work every day. We eat dinner together every day. Think, every day means each day. Part 3. Quick comparison. Every day, one word, means normal, usual. It's an adjective. It's used before a noun. Everyday clothes, everyday English, everyday routine. Every day, two words, means each day. Tells you when. I read and teach every day. Super simple trick. If you can replace it with each day, use every day. If you can replace it with normal, use every day. Part 4. Common mistakes. Wrong. I go to school every day. Correct. I go to school every day. Wrong. I like everyday life. Correct. I like everyday life. Wrong. This is my everyday routine. Correct. This is my everyday routine. Wrong. I drink coffee every day morning. Correct. I drink coffee every day in the morning. Part 5. Mini quiz. Choose every day or every day. Please write in the comments below one sentence with every day and one sentence with every day. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment every day.